Father, my Creator. Me are the veteran protector. See me on the caters get than someone who's even later. So you see the significance so fast, so when them realize it later. And them say them in the April when them even got no shelter. The man them knocks in the road and have a person to the fire. There's no lace on the road across us, so we're sorting up the pastor. The man really son on to the evil let alone. Just to put yourself in prayer. Because the Almighty will be there. Yo.
I'm so humble, you know, for the love that all of you guys have shown, and I don't take it for granted. I really didn't expect all of you. I expected Joe, mtaniangusha kidogo, lakini nataka mtipigie makofi tumenitaa vile Maria is Otifaxa.
Plastic.
Otifaxa Peter Omwaka.
There's a song, The Newness to the Chair. They all have a story in your life. How did you find yourself doing gospel music?
This is what I would say. Guys, please allow me to talk. Yes, because everyone is in this interview. Tunaifanya collab, Alright. Most of my songs, this is what I feel. God has given me this gift so that I may be able to reach one soul, or 2 souls, or 3 souls. And so I want to get there. When I was a little boy, I wanted to be a doctor, but nikashindwa kusoma sikuweza kuwa daktari. But it is better for one to heal someone's soul than for you to heal their flesh. So that if you can speak to someone who is possessed and he gets healed, as far as the kingdom of God is concerned, then it's much more important than just healing someone. And so I pray to God that He would give me a message that I would speak to one who needs to know about Him and who needs to know what to do, and they will get healed.
I have been talking to you a couple of times, and we know the 7 Heaven concert basically is dedicated to the children out there, street children. Probably want to wear the idea because of a street child out there. Why street children? Why do you have a heart for them? Why do you have a connection to them?
All of us want to associate with people who are successful in life. And all of us want to associate with people who can do something for us. But we forget that there are people out there who want us to do something for them. Because if I am for a friend of mine who has a car like me, and if I am for a friend of mine who has a house like me, then who is for that street boy? Who is for that boy, that child that is needy? Right? I once was a street boy, and people would look at me and people would stay away from me. But I'm thinking, why don't they run away from me right now? If I was a street boy and called all of you here, I'm sure you wouldn't come. So if we are for our friends who are out there and they have things that they can offer to us, then who is for that child?
Thank you very much. So remember, you're here, courtesy of God in Angel for a street child who's out there. You've come out, brought out all the DJs, brought out all the presenters, brought out all artists to just stand and be the street child today. And so just
for you to believe in today, and for you to even be here, it is not because you are successful or you are very important, but it is because of God. And you owe God everything for your life. Guys, let's live for God, Let's live for God. Let's proudly live for God. Watu walikuwa wakasema simama imara umtetee Bwana Yesu. Kwa sababu mwanzo tusimame na tutetee God. Because the only reason why you're living is because of the grace of God.